Hello! In front of me I have Apple Watch SE 2nd generation, and I'm gonna show you how to reset the home screen layout on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the crown button, side button, or by tapping on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. Scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and tap on it to enter the settings. And in settings, scroll down, find the option called General and select it. Here, scroll down, find the option called Reset and tap on it. And right here, scroll all the way down, find the option called Reset Home Screen Layout and tap on it, of course. And here, tap on Reset Home Screen to confirm. And once you're done, you can press the crown button a couple of times to go back to watch face. Okay, and that's how you reset the home screen layout on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.